Sir, am I audible now, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, you are audible now.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Let me introduce myself. My name is J. Sarama Kumar, head of the Department of Civil Engineering, RK Valley Campus, Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies. Respected Chief Pattern Office FDP and Chief Guest of this function, Professor K.C. Reddy Garu, Chancellor of Rajiv Gandhi University of Knowledge Technologies, Andhra Pradesh. Respected Guest of Honor, Sri D.V. Bhavana Rao Garu, retired Chief Engineer, R&D, Government of Andhra Pradesh. Respected Patron and Guest of Honor, Professor P. Sujit Kumar Garu, Director of RK Valley Campus, RGKT, AP. Mr. Mohan Krishna Chaudhary, the Administrative Officer of RK Valley Campus, Dr. G. Ramesh, the Dean of Academics, Mr. B.V. Sudhakar Reddy, Finance Officer of RK Valley Campus, the coordinator and the co-coordinator of this FDP, the organizing members, the participants, student friends, ladies and gentlemen. A very good welcome to all. It gives me immense pleasure to be part of this FDP and make a grand success. And with this, I request Dr. Amarendra Kumar Chandra, Associate Professor and FDP Coordinator, to present a brief summary on this FDP on recent developments in cement concrete payments, various cementitious materials, admixtures, testing protocols, mix design, and payment design. Thank you.
Thank you, Saran. Respected dignitaries, Professor K.C. Reddy Garu, Honorable Chancellor RGKT, Sri D.V. Bhavana Rao Garu, Retired Chief Engineer R&D, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Professor Sudhir Prem Kumar, Director RGKT RK Valley, Administrative Officer, Finance Officer, faculty colleagues, and my dear participants, a good afternoon to you all. I am here to present a brief summary of the 5-day faculty development program. Recent years has seen numerous advances in cement concrete and bituminous concrete pavements in terms of materials, design of mixes, pavement design, and construction. And so we felt that a platform need to be created to explain these advances to the teaching community and practicing engineers by experts of national and international standing. With this objective, we the faculty members of Civil Engineering Department have sent two proposals, AICTE Teaching and Learning Atal Academy, one on bituminous pavement and other on cement concrete pavements, and requested to sponsor for conducting faculty development programs. The Atal Academy had sponsored for organizing an FDP on cement concrete pavement, and we are confident that we may get permission for organizing similar program on bituminous concrete pavements in near future as well. Total 302 participants across the country have shown interest to attend the program. However, as per the Atal Academy guidelines, we have limited to 200 participants. We have noticed that the participants from 26 states / union territories were attended the program. Through 15 technical sessions in last 5 days, the experts covered various topics such as fundamentals of concrete pavements, mixed designs, advanced testing procedures, pavement design as per latest guidelines, analysis and construction of joints in concrete pavements, design of high strength concrete mixes, concrete overlays, design of rural road concrete pavements, pervious concrete pavements for sustainable development, innovative materials used in concrete mixes, and construction of concrete pavements. In addition, we have also organized 2 sessions on stress management through Sahaja Yoga, meditation, and Fit India movement. So through these lectures, I am very confident that participants must have gained good amount of knowledge in the area of cement concrete pavements, and also these technical sessions thrown some light on the research gaps in various areas of concrete pavements. I sincerely thank the administration of RGUKT for their continued support and encouragement to organize this program, and expecting same in the future. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Before going ahead, I would like to call a few participants to give feedback on this FDP on recent developments in concrete payments. So I request Mr. Chaitanya to coordinate and complete the session within 5 to 10 minutes. Thank you.
Good afternoon to one and all. So participants, please come forward to give your feedback. Your suggestions will help us to improve and conduct future workshops and conferences without any bottlenecks. So before giving your feedback, please mention your name, designation, institute, and place.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, I am Dr. P.D. Kumbar from Maharashtra. My institute is Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Rajaram Nagar, Sangli district. And I have joined this course, though I am not pertaining to construction management. Particularly, I am dealing with the structural engineering, but I was having some interest in joining this particular program. I could conduct this particular program. Sir, am I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Yes. So for last 4 days, I could enjoy the sessions of all the experts who very nicely conducted the session. I could get very nice information pertaining to this particular construction of highways, construction of the research works, particularly carried out in the related to this particular materials which are used for construction of highways, etc. And the entire program was very well organized. It was started it was used to start on exact timing which was scheduled. So I must thank all the organizers and all the team members for very nicely well organized program, because in our institute also we have conducted several such programs, but not like the one which has got a sanction from AICT or so. But I wish all the best for the future progress of your institute and the university. I am very much thankful to all the organizers and the team members, and even to the AICT for allowing me to be participant of this particular program. Thank you very much, and good day, sir. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Thanks, sir. Thanks for your kind words, sir. Anyone?
Hello. Sir, good afternoon, sir. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Dr. B. Damodar Reddy, working as a professor and head in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering in the Chittoor. Sir, the program was very well organized. Regarding design and construction aspects, they have explained very nicely, and white topping technology for urban roads, as Ramachandra sir has told very nicely, sir. Very basics and fundamentals, everything they have explained very nicely. The experts selected for this event is very nice, and the design of concrete pavement, Amarendra sir has told very nicely, but time is very less, but sir has shown very good slides, and Bhavan Rao sir lost today's session is very nice and attractive. Some of the professors has shown the case studies. It has helped very lot, so that will give us to select some of the project work for the students, like that, sir. I am very much happy, and wish you all the best. Future also, if you conduct this type of program, definitely we will involve, sir. Thank you very much for each and every person who involved in this program. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your valuable feedback.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Ashok, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm Ashok Kumar, sir, from Walchand College of Institute of Technology, Solapur, sir. Working an assistant professor, specialized in transportation engineering. From past 4 days, I have seen right from start of the design of the concrete pavement. The Sudhakar Reddy sir explained the design of concrete pavement very well, and further all the design aspect, quality control aspects, and white topping topics, all are excellent. All resource persons were explained very nicely. I really thank all RJ UKTA Civil Department team for their continuous effort to bringing this course, FDP course. I'm looking forward to attend more courses from your side, sir. Thank you, and thank you for whole team, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir. Anyone from the participants?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir. Sudhir, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. This is Sudhir Gaike. I am from Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Maharashtra. I first like to thank the organizer and congratulate Dr. Amrendra sir and his team for organizing this successful event from first day to this particular last day. And I am from Holy Shrine of Shirdi Sai Baba. Shirdi Sai Baba Airport is nearly 8 kilometers from this particular institute. So I will like to invite all the participants and organizers of this event. If you are approaching or you are coming from this particular location of Maharashtra, Ahmednagar district, please try to feel free to contact me, and the help I will render if possible from my particular side. I am once again thankful to all the experts from IITs, NITs for their valuable words regarding this particular session. Sir, please provide my number. The help, if I am possible, that will be given if you are coming towards Maharashtra State or Shirdi Sai Baba. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, and we are very grateful to your offer, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any other participant?
Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, sir.
Can I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
I'm Engineer Satyanand Sethi from Odisha. I am from Odisha Polytechnic Skill Development and Technical Education from Jharsuguda district. I really grateful to be a part of this session, and very useful, informative, and very practical based session. As we worked in the field, what are the necessary, what are the problems come out, and what are the problems we faced. It is actually really practical based, and problems, all the problem solution based topic has been discussed. So we really grateful to the organizing committee and all the dignitaries for making us a part of this. So thank you, and thank you all. If any future, any opportunity will be there for us, so kindly intimate us and be a part with us also and our faculties with the organization. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. We will definitely inform you, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Hello, this is Dr. S. Krishna Rao. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
Yeah, this is Dr. S. Krishna Rao, Professor and Head of...
How are you, sir? Krishna Rao, sir.
Very fine, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I'm a Professor and Head of the Department of Vignan Bharati Institute of Technology, Civil Engineering Department, Hyderabad, sir. I just congratulate Dr. Amrendra sir and his team for organizing such a good webinar, FDP, wherein he blended academicians, researchers, and industry experts in the FDP. So, and he also brought one of the stalwarts of transportation engineering in India, Dr. Sudhakar Reddy from IIT Kharagpur. He delivered two wonderful sessions on the design of rigid pavement, sir. And most of the faculty members who have attended this FDP are benefited because sir was instrumental, Professor K.S. Reddy was instrumental in the development of the IRC 58 codal provisions. So I thank Amrendra sir to organize such a beautiful FDP. And one more thing is, he also invited young faculty members from IITs, IIT Madras, Surinder Singh, Dr. Surinder Singh, and IIT Tirupati, Krishna Prapurna Bilgiri. Those were youngsters in transportation engineering research as well as the teaching fraternity. So he invited those youngsters to this FDP, and they wonderfully shared their ideas as well as research interests to all the participants. That is the second thing Dr. Amrendra did. And third one is, he also invited the experts of the industry, like the retired Chief Engineer Bhavan Rao sir. I happened to work with Bhavan Rao sir in Vijayawada Municipal Corporation, where I asked several questions related to the practicals. So the Bhavan Rao sir explained very well about all my silly doubts as far as the construction activities are concerned. And also he invited one of the best expert as far as white toppings is concerned in India, from Ultratech Ramachandra sir, with respect to the white topping importance and so on. So I once again congratulate Amarendra sir for wonderfully organizing, and his team members, particularly Chaitanya, is one wonderfully organized event with respect to his interaction with the participants, and also inviting the guests, and also concluding the remarks of each and every session. It was very wonderful, sir. I congratulate the entire team. I definitely participate in the coming events of all RGKT and civil engineering events. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity, Dr. Amarendra.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Can you hear me? Good
Yes,
afternoon.
sir. Yes, sir. Raghav Prasad, sir. You can speak.
Yes, sir. I am K.V. Raghav Prasad. I am an associate professor in the Department of Civil Engineering, sir, MBIT Bangalore. First of all, I would like to congratulate your team for the successful conduction of this 5-day FDP program. Like last month, I attended Dr. Krishna Rao sir and Krishna. They have conducted a very, very useful workshop. I think this COVID time is one kind of blessing disguise. Actually, we should try to involve more and more students, because most of the budding engineers, if they can learn from this, like stalwarts like Bhavana Rao sir, Sudhakar Reddy sir, and really Dr. Amarendra and your team, you have done an excellent job, because rigid pavement, most of us in teaching, we will teach only flexible pavement, and in India we have most of the flexible pavement. Everybody is used to flexible pavements, and rigid pavement, so many of us, we are not that exposed, and you have included in your topic not only the stresses in the concrete pavement, stress busters like Sahaja Yoga and all you have included also. It was, I was surprised to see that. I think the whole purpose of conducting this workshop, I think as a participant, I can say that it's very useful. And you have provided the material which we can try to pass it on to our student community, and you have tried to share the YouTube videos also. And so many of them, Sudhakar Reddy sir, he has done in the last month also, but every day it's like a new thing. Dr. Ramchandra, I invited in 2011 when I conducted the ACT seminar. But still today, I feel every day that Aishwarya Rai and Elephant, he has given the practically how he talks, Bhavana Rao step-by-step explanation. See, we are all really fortunate that in this time of COVID time also, we are fortunate to hear all of them. And especially, I think we can try to pass on this to our students, because ultimately it should be like the stresses as we go down, we want to reduce the stresses in a pavement. We want to increase the output, and we want to improve and increase the knowledge by spreading it to most of them. I think I congratulate all of you, and all my namaskars to all the teams who are sitting here, and thank you. And we request your team to inform us in whatever the future activities you are conducting, and congratulations to you, and thank you one and all for giving me this chance. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. We are allowing one more person, sir. Last feedback.
Hello, good afternoon. Myself,
Yes, sir.
Dr. Hanmanta. I must be very thankful to Dr. Amarendra and Ropas as the coordinators. First of all, they have selected a very good topic, and I was, though I am basically a geotechnical engineer, but still I attended all the sessions. I tried to understand my best the design of concrete pavements. All the lectures are really good. Dr. Yaskera beautifully explained all the sessions, how it was happened. And once again, I congratulate both the coordinators, Saravana as the head of the department, and Chaitanya, you really did a really good job. Okay, I was really happy that RGKT RK Valley has conducted a very good FDP. I congratulate the entire team and the civil engineering department of RGKT. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much for all the participants who have given valuable feedback, which will be taken up for the upcoming all the events. Now, I'm very happy to introduce Professor B. Sudhir Prem Kumar, Director of RK Valley Campus, RGKT. Professor B. Sudhir Kumar has obtained Master of Engineering with a gold medal in Refrigeration and AC from Coimbatore Institute of Technology under Bardiyar University and PhD in IC engines from JNTU Hyderabad. He is having a total 29 years of teaching experience and served various administrative positions. He is also working as a secretary of Andhra Pradesh State Council of Higher Education. He has published 3 textbooks and substantial number of papers in national, international journals and conferences. He also has guided 12 PhD scholars and currently guiding 11 scholars for their doctoral research. With this short introduction, I request Professor B. Sudhir Prem Kumar to address the participants.
So, thank you, Sarvana Garu, the head of the department. Respected Chancellor, sir, Honorable Chancellor, sir, Professor Kesari Garu, the coordinators, Dr. Amarendra and Sri Rufus Garu, head of the department, Sri Sarvana Garu, AO, FO, and all other faculty, and the experts who are part of this, say, 5-day FDP program, and all the participants all over India. Good afternoon, everyone. It is indeed a privilege for me to invite you to this function, valedictory function, where our Honorable Chancellor sir is also taking part as the chief guest. We, the RGKT, are really working under the able guidance of our Chancellor sir, who is the visionary and who got lot of experience in the field of education, and we are moving forward under his able guidance. We also remember the services and the efforts made by our Honorable Vice Chancellor Garu, Professor K. Hemachandra Reddy Garu, who is away from the valedictory function. And also, I want to thank all my officers who are really involving in this 5-day FDP program organized by the Civil Engineering Department on recent advances in concrete pavements. I am sure all the delegates who are really taking part from all over India, you are blessed with rich experience of the speakers who are basically the retired chief engineer of R&B, Dr. Bhavana Rao Garu, and different professors from IITs all over India. I am sure all of you are really richly blessed with the experiences and their, say, lectures, including the video presentations. And that's what actually I could able to understand from the statements or maybe the sharing of the delegates. So on behalf of RGKT RK Valley, I want to thank the coordinators who has taken the care or who has taken the pain of arranging this. And I am sure this will be a really a commendable, say, maybe step taken by them. And I am sure all other departments and other faculty also will proceed in this direction by organizing many more number of webinars like this in all our departments. And I am sure not only from the director's point of view, I am sure from the administration, I assure all my faculty also, there will be full support, particularly for the academic events like this. And I want to invite all the participants who are, say, involving or, say, interacting all over India. Welcome to visit our RGKT RK Valley, which is going to be having a beautiful, say, weather, academic, say atmosphere, and many more other, say, such things where you can really enjoy the presence of beautiful sceneries in RK Valley. So I invite all the, say, participants and including speakers from IITs and others also to visit our campus. Maybe your presence will be richly blessed to our students also. Very good academic inputs, and they are reaching very good heights, not only in India, but also in abroad. So with this, I want to thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity and congratulate the Department of Civil Engineering for having a prestigious webinar like this. And also, I seek the permission from Honorable Chancellor Sir to proceed further, and I request his maybe presence and his say involvement. Thank you one and all, sir. Thank you one and all.
Thank you very much, sir. And now I am very glad to reintroduce the guest of honor, Engineer D.V. Bhavana Rao, retired Chief Engineer, Roads and Buildings Department of Andhra Pradesh. Engineer D.V. Bhavana Rao is a fellow of Institute of Engineers, having 33 years of experience in various cadres and retired as Chief Engineer R&D. He has plenty of experience as consultant engineer and a quality auditor as well. He has delivered a number of lectures in national seminars related to road construction and educated department engineers to practice a quality road construction by conducting several workshops to them. With this short reintroduction, I request Engineer D.V. Bhavana Rao Garu to speak few words to the participants. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, Chancellor Sir.
Sir, please unmute your mic, sir.
Good afternoon, Chancellor Sir. Good afternoon, everybody. Actually, I was Chief Engineer at the time of foundation stone for the RJ, this Idupalupaya IIIT. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Audible. Please go ahead.
Actually, every day we used to go to KCRED's chamber to finalize the designs and plans. Regularly we used to meet, and Honorable CM fixed a timeline taking up these activities at one is at Idupalupaya and Basra and Newswade. A lot of pressure was exerted on us, and we are successfully finalized the designs, drawings, and laid foundation stone at Idupalupaya and completed up to basement. Afterwards, I was transferred to R&B department. That's why I had a course. I regularly used to meet K.C. Reddy sir. And Raj Reddy sir was there also. And Ashutosh Misra, IAS officer, was there. Again, I am very glad to give a presentation for the RJK to Faculty Development Program. Yes, this program is very well organized. Regarding the result payments, every minute aspect was covered in this program. I think the participants must be benefited, and everyone will serve the regarding the improvement of quality. Also, they will definitely educate the students also with such programs. I would use such programs and different subjects also shall be conducted at least every 3 months. One FDP, at least 3 months or 6 months, one week FDP shall be conducted for such programs shall be conducted and different subjects also. It makes the teachers also, teachers' knowledge is improved. Simultaneously, it improves the knowledge of the students also. I thank the organizers for giving me this opportunity to participate in the FTP program and this valedictory function also. I thank Amarendra and his team. Congratulate Amarendra and his team for conducting it very well. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I take privilege to introduce. Sir, excuse me for a while. Chancellor sir will join the meeting. Till then, we'll wait for a minute. Hello all. Just please wait for a while, as there is a technical issue with the Chancellor of RGKT. He will join in a while, in few minutes. Thank you. Sir, welcome back, sir. Now, I take privilege to introduce the chief guest of this function, Professor K.C. Reddy, Honorable Chancellor of RGKT. Professor K.C. Reddy has a doctorate in economics and taught at Andhra University for over 3 decades. He has acclaimed as a teacher and researcher par excellence by his students and peers. Sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, okay. Sir, with this, I request Chancellor to
captivating and Dr. Sudhir, Dr. Amarendra, Dr. Rupas, Dr. Sharvana, and Dr. Bhavan Rao Garu, all the other very learned guest speakers, participants at the 5-day faculty development program in concrete mixture. I'm personally happy that Dr. Amarendra and Dr. Rupas have taken the initiative, and this initiative is contributing to something that people are taking back when they go back to their universities colleges, that something that is tangible, something that can be grounded, something that they will do for the usefulness of the community. I need not emphasize the importance of number one, highways. Number two, in the modern era, when transportation is increasing, the pavements have also become extremely critical. If you look at the smart cities around the world, in India in particular, well, in every smart city, the pavements have become extremely important. Sometimes, to say in a lighter way, the pavements have become more important than the highways, than the roads itself. I'm saying it on the basis of my own experience in Visakhapatnam. The earlier, there was a 60 feet road. Now, two ways they have developed pavements, each measuring about 7 feet. So 14 feet is taken away towards pavement. With the result, the road itself has become narrow. Why I am mentioning this is because societies that have progressed fast internationally, and countries that they have done very well, and cities that have made remarkable progress, they have all focused on highways, and highways with all facilities for payment. Why we talk about payments in India today? If you make a comparison of what is there in the Western countries and what is there in India, if somebody is walking in Washington or in Chicago, or for that matter in Beijing or any city, England, then the walker is given priority. The person walking is given priority by everybody who is driving either a two-wheeler or a four-wheeler. Well, that way, I think we have lost the importance of the walker and the pavement. This is one point. The second and equally important thing is that when you are designing concrete mixtures, well, that's where technology becomes extremely critical. I think Dr. Bhavan Rao Garu, with his rich experience in engineering and practical engineering, has not been teaching theory, but then putting theory into practice. That's what exactly I think this workshop must have made you to learn. Now you need to look at the quality of the soil. The quality of the soil, the uniqueness of the soil required what I would say a unique concrete mixture. You can't say that in a hard rocky soil, the kind of mixture that you use is equally good in what we call the land, which is alluvial and then largely a loose soil. That's where I think the upland areas on the one side, the coastal areas on the other side, the tribal areas differently, they require different kind of quality mixtures. Now, why we keep on doing the highways every year, the maintenance is going, and why in the rest of the world, once a highway is laid, once a pavement is developed, well, for at least 25 to 30 years, they don't look back to that. The reason is they design it, they do a lot of homework, they spend money on R&D. They also think in terms that they don't sacrifice on the quality. They compromise on quality. Now, this is what engineering in India particularly do take care. Now, we are spending a lot of money on highways and development of pavements. and it is the right time for this kind of a workshop. I again congratulate my friends, colleagues who have taken the trouble. I think all of you in a pandemic situation, otherwise you should have seen the physical beauty of RK Valley campus. Maybe you will come one day to RK Valley, enjoy the scenic beauty of the campus, apart from the intellectual contributions that our young faculty are making in the field of civil engineering in particular. I think civil engineering over the years, there was a point of time where engineering was nothing but civil engineering. I think during my age, the student days, most of the brilliant people were going to civil engineering. When Nagarjuna Sagar project was built, well, there was a terrible shortage of civil engineers, and even people, they used to discontinue their engineering program and join as engineers, and diplomas were there. Now, those were the days. Then after some time, there was slump. There was no demand. There were no takers for civil engineering. Now again, with the development of so many projects, highways, irrigation projects, there is again a sea change. But then we need to look at the use of technology in civil engineering. The civil engineering of today is entirely different from the civil engineering of 50s, 60s, or even 70s for that matter. So you need to update yourself. That's in that perspective, if you look at the faculty development program, certainly it is something that is badly needed. I'm particularly happy that Atal Academy has given us this wonderful opportunity, and my colleagues have seized that opportunity to organize this program beautifully. I thank them again, and I personally congratulate all the participants, thank them. If there were any inadequacies, we all own them collectively, and we will certainly. I thought some of the faculty, the participants, when in their feedback, will tell us two things instead of all the way praising us. One, are there any shortcomings, inadequacies, gaps? The second is, what is it that they are taking back home, basing on the FDP? Now, any program, any workshop, any research today must be outcome based. I'm particularly happy that Dr. Amarendra, when he designed it, kept that in mind, and it is an outcome based FDP program. I'm happy. Thank you. Congratulate you. All the best to you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
With your guidance and support, we would conduct similar kind of programs in the upcoming days, sir. Thank you, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir,
go ahead.
Now I request the co-coordinator of FDP, Mr. Rupas Kumar, convey vote of thanks.
Thank you, Saravana. Respected dignitaries, Professor K.S. Reddy Garu, Honorable Chancellor, RGKT, Sri D.V. Bhagavan Rao Garu, Retired Chief Engineer, R&B, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Professor Sudhir Prem Kumar, Director, RGKT, RK Valley, Dr. Amarendra Kumar Sandra, Associate Professor, RGKT and Coordinator of the FDP, RGKT, RK Valley Administrative Members, Administrative Officer, Dean Academics, Finance Officer, Faculty Colleagues, my dear participants, a good afternoon to you all. Firstly, I'd like to thank the nodal officers and the representatives of AICT and Atal Academy for their approval and sponsorship to the program conducted by the Department of Civil Engineering, RGKT, RK Valley. We'd like to convey our sincere thanks to the eminent persons who have agreed to deliver lecture sessions on the recent advances on the concrete pavement from both academia and industry. Professor K. Sudhakar Reddy Garu from IIT Kharagpur, Dr. Dharamveer Singh from IIT Bombay, Dr. Swati Maitra from IIT Kharagpur, Dr. Krishna Prapurna from IIT Tirupati, Dr. Surendra Singh from IIT Madras, Sri D.V. Bhavan Rao Garu, retired Chief Engineer, R&B Department, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Dr. Ramchandra from Ultratech India Private Limited, R. Nagendra Garu from Student Technoclinic Private Limited, Bangalore, Suresh Raju Garu from Samarth Infra Engineering Technocrats Private Limited, and Santosh from Student India Technoclinic Private Limited. And apart from all these technical sessions, 2 sessions were conducted by Mr. Amit and Mr. Chandrakant on Sahaja Yoga meditation. I thankful to you all the eminent speakers and the resource persons. I'd like to thank the RGUKT administration, Professor K.C. Reddy Garu, Professor Sudhir Prem Kumar sir, Mr. Mohan Krishna, Administrative Officer, Dr. Ramesh, Dean Academics, B.V. Sudhakar Reddy, Finance Officer, and the faculty members of Civil Engineering, Mr. Chaitanya, Mr. Saravanan Kumar, for their support in organizing the lecture sessions. I'd like to convey my sincere thanks to Mr. Lingamurthy, Software Engineer, Mr. Govardhan, IT faculty, and other IT supporting staff, Mr. Mani and Mr. Chakri. With all your support, the program has been executed effectively without a minor issue, surpassing the limitations of ICT-based teaching, and for making necessary arrangements for live streaming to our students. Thank you one and all for your support. I also thank the participants for their patience, sincerity, and cooperation in these 5 days. As mentioned by some of the professors in their lecture sessions, we, the faculty from the Department of Civil Engineering, are working closely with the institutes such as IIT Tirupati and IIT Madras and developing collaborative projects. With the support of RGUKT administration, the Department of Civil Engineering, Arke Valley, is also planning to work with the National Highway Authority of India, NHAI, to examine and monitor the national highways intersecting Kadapa city in Andhra Pradesh, which is expected to start within a month. Overall, I'd like to say that many more programs and projects which are of interesting are in the pipeline, and this program is just an inception. Please do stay in the touch to get involved in such kind of projects. Being a budding university, we always look for collaboration and co-action from the faculty members and organizations across the country to establish strong academic industrial relations and to achieve high research quality outputs. As the program coordinator, Dr. Amrendra Kumar Sandra has mentioned, one more faculty development program is proposed on bituminous payments, and hopefully it will be approved within the next 2-3 months by AICTE. And we wish that we'll meet again in our campus. And thanks for your time, thanks for your patience and cooperation in these 5 days. I thank all the participants. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Rupas.
Thank you, Rupas Kumar. And now I would say that no learning goes without test. So now I request Chaitanya to organize the testing of this FDP. Thank you. I'm very thankful to the Chancellor of RGUKT, Professor K.C. Reddy Garu, to make this program a grand success by joining and giving his insights. And I thank Engineer D.V. Bhavanarao sir to grace this and to participate and grace this occasion. Thank you all. And please wait for the